A month before suffering a cerebral embolism, your body warns you through these symptoms. A cerebral embolism is a condition that prevents proper oxygenation of brain cells. The most likely to have a stroke are the greatest at 65 years of age, women who leave being hit hardest. There are some conditions that may increase the risk of a stroke, such as suffering cardiac arrhythmias or atrial fibrillation, when the heart rate is irregular, being diabetic, having a family history with this condition, have high cholesterol, among others. That is why I then tell you what are the symptoms of a stroke for you to take into account and you attend you quickly. Symptoms of a stroke. The clearest symptom of a stroke is a severe headache that cannot be calmed. There are other cases where the person cannot tell who is suffering a stroke. However, when the process has begun, other symptoms and early signs may be advised. This changes from patient to patient and will depend on the blood vessel obstructed. That is, the part of the brain is affected. Usually they appear suddenly and not gradually. You need to be aware of these factors. 1. Dizziness. 2. Blurred vision, double vision or temporary blindness. 3. Trouble speaking. 4. Blackouts and memory problems. 5. Numbness or paralysis on one side of the body. 6. Hiccup. 7. Changes in hearing and taste. 8. Changes in tact. Loses the ability to feel pain or pressure in any part of the body. 9. Fainting and unconsciousness. 10. Feeling dizzy. 11. Muscle weakness, trouble walking. 12. Difficulties in breathing. 13. Hallucinations. 14. Nausea and vomiting. 15. Convulsions. 16. Problems swallowing food. 17. Difficulties in controlling sphincters. 18. Sudden changes of mood and personality. If you suffer any of these symptoms or if you suspect you are suffering from a stroke, get help immediately. If you meet someone and think that this happens, you can make an easy test. In addition to assessing their status, if the person experienced dizziness, fainting, etc., make him some easy questions. Consult your full name, how is the weather, birth date. People who suffer a stroke will have trouble articulating words and remember common situations. Appreciate you taking the time to see this video. Help us to share it through social networks.